Good evening from Hackensack. It's time for dinner and having one of my favorite dishes, a fish and vegetable medley. I'm using about 2 pounds of wild flounder from Canada that I found at Costco wholesale. It's $7.99 a pound. This is fresh, wild-caught fish. And I started with a bed of organic baby spinach, which is pre-washed. Drizzle it with olive oil. Put the very thin fish fillets over the spinach. You could double them; they're very thin, and they'll cook through. I added grated cheese, some capers, some Campari tomatoes, and Costco's organic salsa. I may even, when this fish is a few minutes from being finished, might add some hummus to some pieces. I made some hummus today. So this will go into a preheated 400-degree oven for 15 minutes and we'll be ready to eat. Okay, so here's this beautiful wild flounder from Canada under a layer of grated Parmesan cheese, which is melted beautifully, some organic salsa, tomatoes, capers, and I'm going to be having it with organic string beans, which I prepared earlier today, and a little chicken broth and organic no salt seasoning. And I decided to just put the hummus on my portions. I'm not sure how other people are going to like it, so I'll just put a little bit on the side here. Of course, you could serve yogurt with this, or you could make it tzatziki. A great dinner. Enjoy.